So student, fourth case is when, okay, when object lies between C and F, okay, center of curvature and focus. Okay, now my object is between center of curvature and focus. Now what happens is, first ray of light will obviously go parallel to the principal axis, right? It is obviously going parallel to the principal axis, and after when it goes parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. We all know that thing very well. It passed through the focus. Now second is, see, from the head another light need to go, right? From the head another ray of light is going. Okay, now when we are tracing it back, okay, I made it some like this point will be somewhat here. When we trace it back, all right, see, it is directly like passing through the curvature. Okay, so sorry, but this line will directly pass to the curvature when we trace it back. Okay, and so that means the point from where it is going, it will strike. Okay, it will strike and it will come back to the same line. Okay, and then it goes and goes and goes, and it also, this also goes and goes and goes, and it meets somewhere. Okay, and the image formation will take place. Okay, that means my diagram is not so proper. I didn't do scaling and all, just so it is not proper. But see, what happens is, first ray of light is going parallel to the principal axis. Okay, and when it goes parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. And second ray of light is going from the head. I should have made this little small. Okay, so it would be accurate. Now it will go from here. Okay, and after striking, it will come back with the same plane. Why? This is because, see, center of curvature, this light is directly directed to the center of curvature, and when the light is directly directed to the center of curvature also, then what happens, it will come back with the same plane, and after it comes back in the same plane, what happens, it is meeting at some point here. Okay, and here the image formation takes place. You see, the image size is very large as compared to that of object, isn't it? That means the image size is large. Okay, and then the image is inverted, right, upside down, and another thing is image is real, because this is also formed by the real rays. Okay.